Good morning and happy Friday. Today is May 29th, 2020. Let me slide my picture out of the way real quick so we can see our meme of the day. There we go. Can't tell I'm excited for this weekend, so make sure you all have a great weekend. Be safe, have fun, relax. Your tasks today are to watch or read the daily message, which you are doing. Complete the assigned work. Today we're finishing lesson 12.3. This is our second day working on it, which means you should be finishing it up if you didn't do so yesterday. When you are done, please turn in your assignment. You can turn it on Teams, you may text me pictures, or you may email me pictures. Whatever works best for you, but please get that turned in. Also, make sure you're checking in with me. It's Friday. This is your last chance. If I haven't heard from you Thursday or Friday, you will be marked absent. Like I said, we're finishing lesson 12.3, experimental probability of compound events. Remember, I mentioned yesterday that compound events are when usually two, but it could be two or more things are happening at a time. So maybe, for example, we are locked inside our house during quarantine, and we're looking at our front window, and we're so bored that we're keeping track of all the cars outside our house. And let's say some of those are cars and some of those are trucks. That's my first variable, what type of vehicle we're driving. And maybe the second variable is what color. So I'm watching some red cars go past, or vehicles, could be a car or a truck, red or blue or white. So color would be my second variable. So we could look at a table that compares the cars to the trucks, and that also compares all the different colors. And then we can figure out how many of each there were. So that'll be a compound event. Alright, today's work. Watch the video. Check, you're good. Watch the lesson instructional videos. They will be linked below. If they're not working, please let me know. But it's very important, since we didn't learn this in school, that you watch those videos to help make sure you understand what's happening. After you've rewatched those videos, please complete the independent practice problems you did not finish yesterday, complete the lesson 12.3 exit slip, and then turn in your work. Like I said on my last slide, text, email, or Teams. That all works. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you on Monday.